We took our fresh trout, we gave them a wash, and then we put them into the brine for 24 hours in the refrigerator. And now we're going to take them out of the brine, we give them a wash, we dry them off, and we place a sprig of rosemary in the cavity. Okay, so now they're on the racks, and then we're going to place it into the smoker. So it takes roughly an hour to smoke them. But that's very important that we take the temperature probe, place it through the center here, into the center of the trout. So now we added our wood chips into the smoke box. It has a very strong, pungent flavor, but it's quite subtle for the fish as well at the same time. Now we close the door and the smoker will do the rest. Our smoking process has finished. So now we'll remove the smoked trout, and as soon as they're cooled, we chill them in the fridge before we package them. So once I take the skin off, you will see it's a beautiful pink color, and it's beautiful and moist and just basically folds apart.